Do you hate selling? Well, who doesn't? I mean, I can't stand it neither. And if you don't like selling, you're not alone. But you know that selling is the number one survival skill that every entrepreneur must master. So if you don't like selling, that doesn't mean you can't sell. Well, thanks to the internet. Let me ask you this. How does it feel to stop selling and just start accepting and processing orders? Is that possible in your business? Of course it is. This is the magic of the internet and the technology. This is the magic of the workshop that you are about to start. Selling a service, selling a product, selling yourself. Well, there is a chance for you to put your sales on autopilot. And this workshop is designed exactly to show you how to do it. Once you solve the sales riddle, it's done. That's it. You no longer have to worry about not making enough money again. You no longer have to hustle and do hard selling and be pushy salesy and in need for new customers. Because your customers will reveal themselves to you, they will come to you and they will ask you for your service and for your product. All you need to do is just show them where to send the money. Without technical skills, without technical background, without having to be a wizard. Follow the steps, do the work, and see how sales is gonna change for you. This will change the way you look into business, do business, and think of entrepreneurship for good.